In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a shadow to a shape in LibreOffice Writer, step by step, so you can make your documents look more polished, more professional, and much easier to read. Whether you're creating a flyer, a report, a class project, or any other document, adding a simple shadow effect can instantly help your shape stand out on the page. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, that works too. You can add the shape directly into your existing file. Once Writer is open, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From there, hover over Shape. You'll see a list of different shape options appear, and you can choose whichever one fits your document best. Now, select a shape and draw it onto the page. You can click and drag to size it the way you want. This is where you can get creative because LibreOffice gives you several shape styles to work with depending on the look you want. Once the shape is on the page, click it one time to make sure it is selected. This is important because the next settings will only apply to the selected shape. Next, right-click on the shape. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Area. This opens the formatting options for the shape itself. Inside the Area window, look for the Shadow tab. This is where you can control the shadow effect for the shape. Click on the Shadow tab, and then enable Use Shadow. As soon as you turn this on, LibreOffice will apply a shadow to your shape. If you want to customize the look, you can adjust the shadow settings as needed. Depending on the version you are using, you may be able to fine-tune things like the position, distance, blur, or transparency of the shadow. If you want a subtle professional effect, keep it light. If you want the shape to pop more, increase the shadow strength a little. The goal is to make the shape stand out without making the document look too busy. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to confirm your changes, and just like that, the shadow effect will be added to your selected shape in LibreOffice Writer. You now have a cleaner, more visually appealing design element that can help your document look more polished and organized. If you need to repeat the same effect on another shape, you can follow the same steps again. Select the shape, right-click, open area, go to the Shadow tab, enable Use Shadow, adjust if needed, and click OK. It's a simple process once you've done it once, and that's how to add a shadow to a shape in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.